Zlatan and Young Jonn. Astalavista is up next, man. This one is interesting because Young Jonn right now is at the peak of his singing career, man. This has the #1 song in the country with Extra Cool. And Zlatan, obviously, I think Zlatan has been waiting for a moment, or he's been seeking a moment recently, and I hope he gets one. I was hoping the song with Davido from the album Money would do a lot more madness than what it's doing. But it is what it is. Zanku Records, they've been putting what they can put into it. But anyway, I'm curious what this one is saying. Hasta la vista, Young Jonn, Zlatan, let's go. Okay, Willis. Yo, this is a hit. This is a hit. This is a hit. This is a hit. Young Jonn is the aura of the moment right now. And this is essentially what laced a record like Extra Cool to get to #1. I'm immediately hearing this hook, immediately hearing the bounce, the pace. I think this one is moving. This one is moving. The melody on that it reminded me of I wanna be close to you, wanna be close to you. Back in Mohit's days, man. That was a nice reference, I think, that Willis was doing in that melody there, because that was sick.
Don't be selfish if you love me, you must learn to share.
Hey!
She said nobody do me like that.
Hey, hey! Zlatan! Bro, this is moving! This is moving. There's no way. There's no way. Listen to the progression on that beat, bro. Listen to the progression on that beat. How we ramped up into the hook. What a fabulous transition for them, man. And Zlatan actually is crazy. He's super dynamic. He's even singing. He's throwing in some singing chops here. Yo, everything about this screams radio, bro. This screams Nigerian radio right now, bro. This record.
Them don't do me things before, but nobody do me like this. Jackpot to the nest.
Ah, this is dope. Yo,
Nice to meet you.
this is everything.
She said jiggy my pimikpa.
He said, "Jiggy Maki me pa." Ah.
She said jiggy
Oh no, goosebumps, man. Willis motherfucking young motherfucking Willis, bro. Ah no. No. This niggas have another one. This Young Jonn, bro. Ruthless. Ruthless. Zlatan actually embodied so much on this. Like, he didn't even want to be a background thing, bro. Like, he actually went in here super intentional about making the record dynamic, bringing melodic chops that I've not seen in Zlatan in a minute, in a good minute, bro. This is a great record, and build up on the production is insane. The chord progressions there that were backing up Zlatan and were helping the transitions into the hook, absolutely insane. It felt, especially towards the outro, towards the end, when there's like almost goosebumps type of chords that were being laced at the back, bro. It was insane. And Young Jonn with the steez, she said "Jiggy Maki Mikpa," like, come on, man. This man is actually like, this is his moment, and he's tapping into it. He's milking it so well. This is a fire track, man, and this is good for Zlatan. Great for Zlatan. I anticipate this doing the madness on turntable, picking up steam on the radio for sure. It should. It absolutely should. Okay? If a song like Extra Cool exists right now, throwing this into the system would definitely tap or build up some momentum, right? So it absolutely makes sense. This absolutely makes sense. Astalavista, one of the best records tonight, man. That was a fantastic record from both of them, bro. I haven't seen Zlatan like this in a minute. Zlatan was super unpredictable and dynamic too. Came with some flair and attitude, not letting Young Jonn take all the shine because man held his own. And obviously the classic ad-libs we got from him, man, that was great. That was fantastic, bro. That was fantastic from Zlatan, from Young Jonn. Insane.